My name is Lieutenant George Vanderhill. I'm president of the Austin Police Association. And I'm here in New Orleans at the 5th U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals in the case of David Lee Powell versus the state. And the reason we're here is that Ralph Ablanedo was one of our brother officers. He was murdered 30 years ago, but his death has become part of our history. And officers of our department, both those who served at the time that Ralph Ablanedo was a police officer and those who have come on the department the last year, are all familiar with the history in this incident that occurred in this brutal murder of our officer. And because of that, when we announced that we were coming over for this hearing, officers on their own contacted our office wanting to be here, to be a part of it, to make sure that this court understood how important this case is to our officers and our community.
I'm Bruce Mills and at the 5th Circuit in Louisiana to hear the hearing from the 5th Circuit for hopefully the final petition hearing for the trial of David Lee Powell for the murder of Officer Ralph Ablanedo 30 years ago. I'm at least optimistically confident that the hearing is favorable and that this will be upheld and that this item will finally be closed some 30 years later. I think there were sound questions defended by the state's attorney, and I'm very confident that she did a very good job in preparing herself for the responses that she made in answering the judge's questions.
My name is Ralph Ablanedo, and I'm here at the 5th Circuit Court of Appeal representing my brother, Officer Ralph Ablanedo. On a hearing, we've been listening to the opinions that have been sent to the judges on behalf of David Lee Powell, who is currently on death row in the state of Texas, who is wanting to give him a 4th trial. And I've been here with several of my brother's brothers of the Austin Police Department, and I feel that the hearing so far has gone fairly well, and I'm hoping that it'll go in the way for my brother.